Video, we will learn how to fix Excel activation failed error. I have activated my Excel with the same method. I am going through same method. You can repeat the method with me. First of all, go to this PC, then click on C drive, go to program files, find Microsoft Office. You can have two Microsoft Office version, Microsoft Office with version name. You have to click on Microsoft Office without version name. Now click on Office 16, this option. Find this file, which spell like osp.zrm.exe. This file, select this file, right click on it, run as administrator. Repeat this step 3 times. You have to select this file again, run as administrator second time, select this file, right click on it, and run as administrator third time. After that, you have to close your Excel and reopen Excel. This will fix your activation failed error. That's all in this video, guys. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel.